Hey, welcome back guys, and today in this video I am going to share the list of best free guitar learning apps for your Android phone. So if you want to learn guitar by using your phone, then watch this video till the end. First on our device is Musician. In this one, you can learn acoustic guitar, electric guitar or both. Here you can choose that what you want to play. You can choose your current level. Then select the timetable. The tutorials are out of the box. You will definitely learn a lot here. The content is enough to make you a brand artist. So if you like it, then check out the link in the description box. Second on our device is Perfect Ear. This one is best to improve your music listening. To become a best guitar artist, you should have the knowledge of every tune. You can train your ear in a great way. Also, the methods are good to teach, and I am sure that it will help you a lot. Here you can see your stats, achievements and leaderboard. So if you like it, then check out the link in the description box. Third one is Smart Chord. It have great tools that are very helpful, like chords, chord name, circle fifth, fretboard, trainer, metronome, songbook, tuner, instruments, and so on. Also, you can add more tools from here. The theme is also changeable. In settings, you can manage the home and general settings, favorite ones, language, and much more. So if you like it, then check out the link in the description box. Hey wait, before moving forward, please like this video because your likes motivate me to create more amazing content just like this. Fourth on our device is Guitar 3D, best until yet. The visuals are next level. Here you will get the chord lessons, and they are also great. You should follow the instructions. The lessons are enough. After completing them, you will get a certificate also. You can see the chords. In settings, you can turn on the left-handed mode, set the musical notation, manage the colored guides, and so on. So if you like it, then check out the link in the description box. Last one is Simply Guitar. This is also great. Here you can learn a lot in basics. The teaching style is next level. You will get most of the things to learn. And the other deep lessons are behind the paywall. And here you can change the language and few more things. So if you like it, then check out the link in the description box. So guys, thank you for watching this video. Please like this video and share your thoughts in the comment section. Also hit the subscribe button with the notification bell icon to never miss any future video from my side. Thank you.